Yeah, put it on your neck.
You're mad! Please hurry up before it changes his mind.
It's okay. We are done. You don't see how you just stand like statue.
Yeah, we have moved from Kasoa back to Accra because after checking our expenses and every other thing, we have noticed that staying in Accra is way better because what we spend alone in transportation, stress and sweat that we put into moving back and forth from Accra to Kasoa is just way better to stay in Accra. Everything we need to do is in Accra. We have submitted our papers for our student permit successfully. Hopefully they will get back to us with our residence permit inside. We are hoping to collect it either today or tomorrow, and then we'll be set to be actual Ghanaian residents. The food here has been kicking our behinds, but hopefully we'll be able to get better food later on during the day. We plan on going to the zoo. We are going to plug you in with clips and footage from that, and we also plan on going to Chicken Man to get a bucket of chicken, then move to a place where we can buy Ghana jollof rice and mix it with the chicken from Chicken Man. We are at the Accra Zoo. These are exotic fishes.
They look like goldfishes.
Goldfishes.
Some of them look good, some of them look edible. Yeah, lions. How are you asking for the lions?
How can you come to zoo without seeing lions?
So these are monkeys. There are other monkeys as well.
Okay.
But then these are white-napped Mangabey monkeys.
Okay.
They are white-napped because they have a white fur at their nape.
Okay.
So anything that we human beings we consume, they can also consume as well. So they have a lifespan of 30 years or more. It's monkeys too. Okay. And then they have the same lifespan.
Same 30.
Yes. But the only difference is that these pot-nosed monkeys, they have longer tails than the Mangabeys.
Okay.
That's the only difference.
Okay.
They have longer tails than the Mangabeys.
Okay.
And then they like to live more on trees than the Mangabeys. Even though the Mangabeys also like to live on trees, but these monkeys like to live more on trees than the first one. Oh. They have a lifespan of 25 years. The brown one is the brown Chinese geese. It's from China. And then the white one is the Emden geese from Germany. These geese, they have longer necks than
ducks.
The ducks, yes.
Ducks.
And then they are a bit bigger than the ducks.
Ducks. Yeah.
So these lions are just 3 years old.
Oh.
Yes.
Lifespan of.
They have a lifespan of just 14 years.
What's okay, that's like I like them. No, go jump fence.
What's going on?
Trying to call them.
Okay.
So let's go to where the bigger ones are.
Oh shit.
Yeah. And then the bigger ones are 8.
8.
Yes, 8. 9 months, and then the other ones 3 years. Yes.
Why this 9 months can't be past 2 years?
No, like, it's not big. It's not bigger than the ones over there.
Oh.
That's why I wanted them to
Okay.
Move. Why are you scared? Male antelope. They have a lifespan of 15 years.
15.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this one is here.
Reserve. They are the reserve type.
Reserve.
Yes, they are reserve. They are the reserve type.
They always stay quiet.
Tortoise. Okay. So the ones with rough shell are male tortoise. They have a lifespan of 250 years. So we feed them with fruit and vegetable. We feed them with fruit and then leaves. This is their normal size.
Oh, this is their largest.
Yes. They won't be too bigger than this.
Okay. Right.
In nature, we feed them with meat.
Male and
Cut
female.
it into smaller pieces and then we give it to them.
Is it just one?
No, they are 3. They have a lifespan of 70 years.
Oh.
Why are the evil ones living long?
Elephant grass and then sometimes fruit. So the female emu, they are animals that when they lay eggs, they leave it for the man, move on to another man, lay eggs, move on to another man, lay eggs, and then the crested. What we have here is the crested cock. The difference is that for the brush tail, their quills are very soft, unlike this. They have a lifespan of nature, therefore we feed them with beef.
But they can be kept as pets.
Hey! Jackal and Hyde.
Dogs are carnivores, no?
Jackal and Hyde.
Are dogs not carnivores?
I'm
Dogs.
just remembering
Dogs.
Jackal and Hyde.
They eat everything. When you give them meat, they will take.
But this one only takes meat.
Yes, only meat.
Does he eat us?
But they are part of the dog family. The wolves, the jackal, so they have a lifespan of 20 years.
About to be fed.
When they saw the they were running to him. Yeah, so that's how the lions also.
So if they can recognize other donkeys, can they, for instance, recognize keepers as well?
Yes, because they've been working here for so long.
Is this one pregnant?
Yeah, a female and then a male.
Right.
They can talk. And then the one here with the red tail is the African grey parrot.
Look at that beauty. Fan boy.
These 2 1
Fan boy. No, you look back from behind. Fan boy.
blue and yellow.
Fan boy.
And then this one with the yellow.
You know you're the star. Assam, sorry, you're a boy. Fine boy. What's up now? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
So since they are carnivores in nature, we feed them with rats, live rats, they will not eat.
Come.
And then what we have here is a Gabon viper.
Okay.
Oh, are you not a man?
They don't tell you be careful now.
It means you are in the danger zone.
Chiboy.
Okay, so what we have here is the forest cobra.
You want to take a picture?
If you want me to bring it out. But please don't be scared and then leave it on the ground.
Are you going to take it? If you cannot take it alone, you take it. You can't hold on.
Are you a judge? Chiboy, do it, are you mad? I'm holding back for you. I was holding it so you please yourself. I don't like to back.
Wait, now you ask for Ramo. You ask for it.
Don't be scared, be a man.
Yes.
Okay. But that's why.
Okay, it's just to hold it.
Just like leather belt.
Hold it, take.
Carry it now. This Chibo in a boo boo.
You don't need to watch it. You watch your camera. No, you don't need to watch it.
Where is his neck? Okay.
Put it around your neck. Can you?
Don't be looking at it. Don't worry.
Ah.
Oh,
What is with your face?
oh no. I'm not sure I'm doing this.
Nah,
though.
this is easy.
It's looking at you.
Mommy will really vex if she sees this picture.
Alright.
Oh man. You guys are laughing at me. Stop that.
Wait, stick. Oh my God.
Every time I wear it for you. Just you need to grade before taking it. Just take it.
Oh shit. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm just doing this. I'm not putting it on my neck.
Yeah.
Leather belt.
Put it on your neck, Joe.
You-
Put it on your neck, bro.
Leather belt.
Actually, it felt so clean.
Leather belt don't
Aya,
move.
Cheche, you're up. Cheche, the feeling is actually very.
You can hold it. Just hold
You'll
it.
be shocked that.
The blood of Jesus is good.
Aya, put it on your neck.
You're mad. Please hurry up before it changes his mind.
Yeah, it's okay. We are done.
You don't
See how you just started like statue.